Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We stayed at this beautiful camping site yesterday night and today we check out. This camping site is situated in the middle of jungle, beautiful jungle you can see, and now we are going to one of the beautiful city of Spain, Segovia, which is located at the northeast side of Spain. Segovia is very beautiful town. It is considered UNESCO World Heritage Site for its old town, and it is very hot destination for travelers to reach here and see the old town streets, buildings. Main thing, it is mainly famous for its old town, which is located on hillside. The old town is famous for its old streets, Roman Aqueduct. If you see, big Roman Aqueduct is there, and cathedral, huge cathedral, and one of beautiful castle called Alcázar. After 1 hour drive, we have reached at this beautiful town. You can see old town is situated on hillside. So we park our car here, and now we have to climb up few steps to reach there. If you go to another part of the old town, there is a road, and it is easy to access the old town. It is easy to reach there, but definitely you have to struggle with parking there. So best thing is to park downstairs and climb up the steps. After a little walk, we have reached this beautiful plaza Medina del Campo, and it is famous for this Catholic church called Iglesia de San Martin. This whole complex is very beautiful, and you will find very beautiful cobble streets and facades here. Now we will go to very historical Mayor Plaza, huge square of the town. This plaza is very famous for its massive cathedral, old buildings around it, and cafes and restaurants. If you want to try really good Spanish food, then this is the good place to try. And if you see the facades around this plaza, it's very beautiful, unique and very old. Still it is shining. The Mayor Plaza was very beautiful, and now we are heading toward one of the beautiful Castle Alcázar. The castle is situated at end of the street and end of the hill, and this is the most beautiful area of this old town of Segovia. To reach at this beautiful castle, you have to pass through these beautiful streets, and it is full of shopping. And if you want to buy some Spanish gift or Spanish items or local branded item, then this is the best street to buy it. After a little walk from the Mayor Plaza, we have reached this beautiful area of Segovia. The landscape around is very beautiful and very unique. The main attraction here is Alcázar Castle. It was built in medieval time and still standing very beautifully. It is one of the most visited castle in Spain. And if you go down by this road, then you will reach at this beautiful and old monastery of Santa Maria del Perel. Now we are heading toward the most stunning and old aqueduct of Segovia. This was built by Roman in 1st AD to bring water to the town. It is complete arcade of 167 arches and one of the most preserved Roman aqueduct in Europe, and it is also declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. So this is the must place to visit. After these beautiful monuments, we went to few streets of Segovia. It was quite simple and beautiful as well.